Okay, it's kind of dark in here, and we pretty much like everything about our double wide castle. But they really went cheap on the lights. They did not give us enough lights. And they did send us this stick-on LED lights that are supposed to stick up underneath your cabinets, but I didn't even bother with them. I knew that wasn't going to work. But what we do have is this switch here. Can you see that? I know it's dark in here. Well, let me turn some lights on here. Okay. Yeah, I know, huh?
I didn't know that.
All them light sockets in the cabinets are connected to this one switch.
I did not know that.
So anyway, this switch controls, let me see, where's the, oh, I gotta remove all that. I gotta empty all these cabinets on to get to the light switch. So
now you tell me.
that, you know what that means? That's code for, will you empty these cabinets so I can get to the light switch? There, let me see. I think I got one here I can show you. Yeah, right there. There's that outlet right there. And let me turn this upside down. Okay. So I've installed these aftermarket lights. Where are they? Right here. I've installed 2. And we liked them, so I went to Lowe's and I bought 2 more. And I'm going to put these up. I'm going to show you how I do that. We'll be back. Oh yeah, let me just show you the tools. I'm using a hole cutter. I think that's 1.25 inches. Drill. I got tiny little screws to fit in these tiny little slots right here on either end. Some drill bits. And I only need them just to start some little pilot holes for these screws here. So now, my wife is going to empty the cabinets and I'll get to work. Alright, let me see if I can do this without knocking the camera tripod. Might be a little noisy. Alright, now let's go right over to the other cabinet and I'll get that hole drilled.
Great googly moogly, look at all
Oh boy, yanked it right out of my hand. Oh lordy. Are you on? Alright, I can't get this tripod. This is as low as it'll go, but I think you'll be able to see enough to see what I'm doing. Here's the light here. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to put the cord in. Since I've got the plug on this side, the hole on this side, I'm going to put the cord in closest to the hole. And it's really hard to do. Oh wow, what is that? That is sheetrock. Why is that there? Huh. I have no idea what that sheetrock would be up on the bottom of this for. I'm gonna have to put it on the other side. So I will move this out a little bit. Yeah, you probably can't see over here.
Would you like me to hold your camera?
I don't know. It'll be all right, hon. And if it's no good, I just won't upload it. I'm gonna go ahead and get the screw started. Well, if I could see the hole. Huh, I can't see the hole.
Here, you want me to do it?
None. You are not in the Screen Actors Guild.
Okay, get it. Let me see if I don't watch this. Up, 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 up. Get it.
There we go.
You have to get it. Sorry.
All right. Slide that over there. One more hole. You probably can't see this, can you? And it's dark under there too, so. Now, feed this cord up in there. Give me a second. I'll turn this on and we'll end this video on a happy note. So now we're just going to have the inconvenience of, there we go.
Well, that's very nice.
Yeah.
I like that.
It's better than dark.
Well,
So we'll just have the inconvenience of putting stuff around this cord in the cabinet. All right, now I'm going to do the other side, but I won't make you watch me. Okay, here we go. I got all the lights up on. And they're all operated by this switch. Finally, we got some light in here. Let me show you what we used to have for just making our coffee in the morning without having to blind ourselves with the overhead lights. You see them little battery powered stick-on pucks? We've been using them for 2 years in here. Going through a lot of batteries. So now I'm just gonna leave them there for, you know, power outages. We'll have a little bit of light to get around in here. Okay, project done.